You already know the vibes. We got the big demon, Aaron the Plumber, nigga. On the drop the mic in Houston. I ain't know he's from Houston, but yeah, let's get to it. 3 minutes to it, him spitting is crazy. And a nasty burgundy True Religion fit.
Won't stop talking about me, but don't talk while I'm recording.
My nigga. Okay.
True story, look.
Fuck Zeus Network, if I ain't have feet, I'll still be a stepper. Hey, where I go, I gotta keep the heckler. All started with Esther, I don't fuck with lemon pepper. He go to did it.
He's low-key spitting.
Artist, offset, go. Chill with a Carter, hardly miss when I shoot. Militant when I move, man, I don't fuck with this.
He's actually spitting, and that's crazy.
Dude, deceiving black women, you need a ass kicking. Zeus Network, man, this shit is really sickening. Bunch of black savages, call yourselves baddest. Most them bitches average. You can never have this dick. Aye, you can never.
Oh, because I'm like, why is he talking about? I get it.
Had his dick, fuck the whole industry. Go ahead and try to blemish me. I got chemistry with these two twin Siamese. Gen 5 with the switch it. Ray Lewis in his prime. The way the bird hit him. Oh, whiskey.
This nigga's nasty, gang.
Think it over, man. Yeah, I'm saying Brodesky should have thought it over. He got his stick, literally.
That's funny.
Sean said, did it beat your ass? So we know this nigga came off a whole piece of ass. I'm a gangster. I ain't never fucking no man, but no amount of money. Can't get with that program. Run the phase back to back. We can slow dance. I'm from Stockton 209. That's what I told them. Drop the pin in the alley, but we ain't bowling. 100,000 worth of game. Let it soak in, and the way in here, I could be.
Randomly one become a rapper is crazy.
Broken, talk the most shit. I can back it up. We can pay, we can clap it up. I'm ready for whatever, bro. Fuck with the security. Ready to die about my name, but you ain't hearing me.
This shit getting ass. Not gonna lie, this shit's getting ass.
Yes, your ritual, not me. Falling offender, habitual. Shit'll get critical.
It's getting ass.
They sweat igniters. Go home and eat a meal. Cooking with Kaya.
It's getting ass.
Whiskey, man. Yeah, I'm saying. Y'all got me fired up on here, man. Check it, look. Aight.
Gossip, I'm the #1 topic. I'm the #1 to pull up on your show and get it poppin'. I'm the #1 to pull up on your whip and Tupac. I'm the one to get chewed up by your bitch like Tupac. You not a factor, heard this cheese on my head.
Why would he do 3 minutes? And I'm sorry I'm not doing this, because this shit not just ass, bro. This shit the whole fucking asshole, gang. I'm not doing that. This is crazy.